Cats are afraid of loud noises. Oh my god, it's a loud noise. Hi, do you like it? No. Do you hear it? Oh, I don't like it. You guys are pussies. It's not them. And that's why cats are afraid of loud noises.